Hey there, it's Des from Metro by T-Mobile, and today we're unboxing the brand new Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. It's got a big screen, a huge battery, and all kinds of fun packed in a triple camera system with the 50-megapixel main camera. And of course, you know it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. Let's get inside the box and check it out. The Galaxy A54 5G has a big, bright 6.4-inch Full HD Plus screen that's great for watching shows and videos. What's even better is this awesome phone is built with a 120 Hz refresh rate, adaptive screen brightness, and motion smoothness, so everything stays looking crisp and clear. The A54 5G puts the fun back in the camera with a triple rear camera system featuring a 50-megapixel main camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. And on the front, there's a 32-megapixel front-facing camera, so you'll be taking awesome selfies. You'll love Samsung's awesome modes built right in, like single take mode, and the A-series fun mode is back again. Inside, the Galaxy A54 5G has a 5,000 mAh battery, 6 gigs of RAM, and 128 gigs of storage that can be expanded with a microSD card, sold separately. The Galaxy A54 5G is even built to be durable against water and dust with its IP67 rating and Gorilla Glass 5 to help protect against drops and scratches on the front and the back, keeping the A54 5G protected and stylish. Opening up the box, we've got the new Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, Get Started Guide, and USB-C charging cable. The new Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Big screen, awesome camera, and a long-lasting battery, built to keep you going all day long. And best of all, you'll be rocking T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. You can pick one up at your favorite Metro by T-Mobile store and online at metrobytmobile.com. Let me know how awesome you think it is. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for another great video coming up next.